Introducing Writing Time. Share your writing with a partner. Students come to school to make their brains stronger. Your brain gets stronger when you share adventures. You can share adventures with pictures, and you can share adventures with words. It's time to share our writing. Let's be brave partners today. No one's work is perfect. We all learn along the way. Sit side by side, both facing front, with the paper in between. Look down together at the page so every word is seen. When it's your turn, read loud. Point to the words as you go. Tell about each picture you drew so your partner will know. When you listen, ignore distractions. Give your partner a focused mind. This is polite and shows you care, with eyes and ears so kind. When your partner's finished reading, it's time to say something kind. A compliment shares what you liked to encourage your partner's mind. I liked your picture. Great details. You stretch your words just right. Your writing was so neat today. Kind words make others feel bright. Don't forget to switch roles so that each person gets a turn. Sharing our writing pieces helps everybody learn. Let's review. Step 1. Sit together side by side. Face forward. Look at the paper between you. Step 2. Share your words and pictures in a loud, clear voice. Point as you go. Step 3. Be a focused listener with eyes and ears on your partner. Step 4. Say something kind about your partner's work. And step 5. Switch roles so that both kids get to share. Fantastic! Thanks for watching Kinder Romp. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Kinder Romp. Check out the link in the description below.